Subliminal TV.
All right. Good evening, people. The weather has broken. This is the type of weather that I love. For me, I kind of shut down when it gets cold. I've mentioned that before, so I don't get to record as many videos. I have done some Ducati videos that I haven't uploaded yet because most people come here for the Ducati. Today, I just wanted to talk about some of the upgrades that I had done to the Ferrari. Before I did a video about trying to get the Stradale skirts on, and I had a friend, we were trying to get his Stradale skirts on as well. It didn't work out because my bottom bolts were scraped flat, so I couldn't get those off. I kind of left it alone, got focused on the RV project, did some Ducati things, did some other traveling, some other work. So I just kind of let it go. And what I ended up doing was dremeling a slit across it, make it a little flathead, and got it out that way. That worked perfectly. I ran right through them. And now the Stradale skirts on the car, and it changed the whole attitude and profile of the car. I'm excited about it. There's a couple of other things that I did to the Ferrari that I want to talk about. So I did the steering wheel, of course, I showed you guys that, but the ironic thing is, as much as that's one of my favorite upgrades, the past 3 things that I did, well, I'm gonna say 4 now, the Stradale skirts, the LED taillights, the steering wheel, and the carbon fiber engine bay panels. Another thing I did was I added the carbon fiber AC vent rings. All those things has really given me, it's like all those little things added just a little something for me that I love it. So I just wanted to come today, make a quick video, show you guys what I've done with the Ferrari. Oh, another thing I did was, so I wasn't sure about this trunk spoiler. So I ordered it a few months ago. And I don't know if you guys hear all this wind, but I ordered it a few months ago, and I kind of set it on the back of it just to see what it looks like. And I wanted to know what the car was gonna look like with the Stradale skirt with no spoiler. Because the thing about it is, I like the car, I like how it looks with no spoiler. I also like the spoiler. So I was torn between whether or not I should put it on or not. Of course, it is reversible. It just goes on with 3M tape, so it's not molded on or anything like that. So I don't know. Right now, I did go ahead and stick it on. Of course, after I put the skirts on. I had to test that out first. But yeah, I do like it. I like it. Let me know what you think. Do you not like it? So at some point, I was gonna paint this car red. When I was looking for a Ferrari, I just kind of wanted red, and I only looked at red ones really, but if I had gotten a deal on another color, I would have gone for it. There was a yellow one that I came across in Arizona. I was gonna get that one, but it just kind of fell through. I kind of moved too slowly, and the guy had sold it when I was ready to go get it. So that didn't work out. And I finally found a red one. I was gonna get that one, and that kind of, well, actually that was going through. And when I found the silver one, so I traded the red, and the red one was a paddle shift, of course. The yellow one was a paddle shift, of course. Those were F1 cars. When I saw gated, the silver one came up right as I was trying to make the deal for the red car. I kind of bagged out of that deal and went for gated. Now, I think I mentioned that story before. I'm saying all that to say, my idea was to have a red one. The silver has grown on me so much. Like I'm telling you, the silver has become a color that, I don't know, it's just something about the body lines. You can see the shadows and everything when the sun hit it a certain way. So the silver has grown on me, especially with the side skirts. And that's what I'm getting around to since I've done the side skirts. Just, I don't know, it has a profile. I probably won't paint it. The only other thing is I did buy the Stradale stripe as well, and I laid it across the car just to see if I want to go with it. I like it, but I also like the car. It looks more sleek and clean to me without it. So I'm kind of battling with whether or not I should put that on. You guys let me know what you think. Other thing I did was I built my own subwoofer enclosure. They do make one. A couple of people make one. They want crazy money for them. Because I know how to work fiberglass, I decided to just do my own. I know there's a lot of people who are like purists when it comes to like exotic cars, Ferrari, Lamborghini, things like that. I'm not one of those guys, man. I like to make everything my own. I like to personalize, customize, make everything my own. I have mentioned that before. I have more cars that I'm gonna buy. Actually, I got one in my crosshairs right now, one that I'm looking at, one that I'm going to add. I won't mention what it is, of course, but of course it'll make its way to the channel. So again, as I say, if you like cars, if you like motorcycles, if you like traveling, if you like RVing, those are pretty much the things I'm gonna be talking about here. I always make it clear that it's not just a moto vlogging channel because a lot of people come here for the Ducati. But if you like all those other things, including the Ducati, consider subscribing. Stay in touch with me. Follow me on Instagram if you want as well. But YouTube, if you want to see those videos about all the things I just mentioned, hey man, like, how much does it cost you? I think nothing. So follow, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.